Okay, today we're talking about polynomial operations and applications. First, starting off with perimeter. Remember, perimeter is if I were to walk all the way around this rectangle. So I would add up the sides. So I'm going to go ahead and label this bottom 3x minus 2 and the side 2x plus 4. Perimeter is adding all the sides. Remember, let's combine like terms. So we have a 3x, a 2x, a 3x, and a 2x. All together, that's 10 x's. So 10x. Do not do anything adding a power. Okay, now my constants, a negative 2 plus 4 plus negative 2 plus 4, that's 4. And this is perimeter, so I'm going to say P equals. Now later, if I told you that x is 2, you could plug in 2 for x and find what my perimeter is. Area. Area is if I were to fill in this whole shape, so it's the space inside. This is length times width. So we're going to do 2x minus 1 times x plus 6. Don't just put a dot between these, put them in parentheses. That will show you to distribute, or you can do the box method with it. 2x times x, that's a 1. Remember, these powers are both 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. X to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2. 2x times 6, that's 12x. Now let's distribute the negative 1. Negative 1 times 1x is negative 1x. Negative 1 times 6, negative 6. Combining my like terms, I've got x's here. I'll drop down 2x squared. 12 minus 1 is 11. And I'll drop down minus 6. That's in standard form. This is my area, so I'm going to put A equals. Okay, and lastly, it says find the area of the shaded region. So we've got 2 of these. Let's think about what this could be. Let's say I have a backyard, so this whole thing's representing my backyard. And, pardon me, I want to put a pool in the backyard. But I only want to put, I don't know, brick or sod or concrete in this region here. Only in the shaded region. So I want to calculate how much I have to spend using a formula like this. So to find the area of only the shaded region, I'm going to find the area of the large rectangle and subtract the area of the small rectangle. So the large, our length and width are 50 and 25. So 50 times 25 minus the area of the small. So 4x and 2x minus, or plus 1, x plus 2. 4x and x plus 2. One thing I would note is because this 4x is smaller, I did write that one first, so I only have to distribute one term. Starting off, order of operations, let's go ahead and do this multiplication here. 50 times 25 is 1,250. Then I'm going to distribute this whole term. So the negative 4x times x is negative 4x squared. Then negative 4x times 2, negative 8x. Now, let's see. Can I combine anything? No. None of those are like terms. However, this isn't my final answer. Write this in standard form. So the highest power first, then the x, then the constant. So area equals negative 4x squared minus 8x plus 1,250. And in a formula, don't put the comma here. Don't do that. There we go. Pause the video and try the last one on your own. Okay, so I'm going to have the area of the large rectangle minus small rectangle. So the large is 6 times 15. Take away or subtract the area of the small. We have a 3x. I'll write that one first. And then x plus 1. 6 times 15 is 90. Distribute a negative 3x. Don't forget the sign. Negative 3x times x is negative 3x squared. Negative 3x times 1 is negative 3x. Again, rewrite in standard form. Negative 3x squared minus 3x plus 90. This is area, so A equals